Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge class. Today our topic is cricket. Cricket is very important to all competitive exams. We have to know some important points about cricket. First, the origin of cricket. We have to know the origin of cricket. Actually, the word cricket came from crick. It is a Dutch word. Crick means a stick. French word cricket means a wooden post. It was first played in 16th century AD in southeast England area. First time cricket was played. That's why cricket is born in England. Present that countries national game, Australia, New Zealand, Sri Lanka, these countries national game is also cricket. Cricket was first played southeastern part of England in 16th century, but first international match was conducted from March 15th to 19th. First test match was conducted between Australia and England in Melbourne. That is the first match 1877. After that, India also participated, but before going to India, we have to know who is the father of this cricket, who is initiated to conduct this match. First, that person is William Gilbert Grace. Cricket was entered into 1900 Paris Olympics also. Only one Olympics cricket was conducted, that is 1900 Paris Olympics. After that, any Olympics, this game was not included. Only one Olympic tournament, this game was conducted in 1900 Paris Olympics. India participated first international test match. India played in 1932. On June 25th, 1932, India played first match with England in Lord's, England. But India has taken 20 years time to win one match. India first won match in 1952. 20 years time had taken to win one match. At the time, Vijay Hazare was captain. And never India won first match in 1952. At the time, Vijay Hazare was captain. But our country's first captain was Colonel C.K. Naidu, Colonel Katari Kanakappa Naidu, Telugu person. That person is the first captain of Indian cricket team. 1932 captain was Colonel Katari Kanakappa Naidu, C.K. Naidu. Whenever India got independence in 1947, at the time our captain was Lala Amarnath. He has done first century in test cricket also. That person, first Indian has done century in test cricket. That person is Lala Amarnath. During independence time, he was captain of Indian cricket team. But whenever India won first match and also first series in Madras, that match won in Madras, at the time captain of our Indian cricket team is Vijay Hazare. After that, these all international tournaments regulated and organized by ICC. It is basically called International Cricket Conference. Later, its name is changed to International Cricket Council. It was established in 1909. Basically, it was started in London. Later, its headquarters was shifted to Dubai, UAE. United Arab Emirates. One city is there, Dubai. In that place, this headquarters is there. ICC headquarters located in Dubai. 105 countries are there membership in this ICC, but 12 test playing nations are fully membership nations. Remaining nations are normal members. 12 countries are playing test matches. Test rank playing countries in the world is only 12 countries. Those 12 countries are fully membership nations. Remaining are normal members. That is ICC. Present ICC chairman is Greg Barclay from New Zealand. Greg Barclay from New Zealand. From November 2020, ICC chairman. ICC president post was removed. ICC constitution was changed in 2014. Then 2014 onwards, no honorary ICC president post. Last Jahir Abbas was ICC president. After that, ICC president post is not there. Only ICC chairman, honorary and also working. Both are done by ICC chairman. Present is Greg Barclay. Before 2020 November, our Indian Shashank Manohar was there, but present is Greg Barclay from New Zealand. This person is the chairman of ICC. India point of view, BCCI was started in 1928 in Wankhede Stadium, Mumbai. BCCI, Board of control for cricket in India. It was started in 1928. Present chairman is Saurabh Ganguly. Saurabh Ganguly, former Indian captain Saurabh Ganguly is the chairman of this BCCI. India point of BCCI, remember, world point of ICC. But BCCI is the world richest sports organization of all sports organizations you take in the world. But which is richest sports organization? That is BCCI. Next, ICC organizes 3 tournaments. Actually, cricket formats are 3 in the world: Test cricket, One Day cricket, and T20 cricket. ICC organizes and regulated 3 tournaments. Countries' duty just giving hosting only, but countries have no power to regulate these cricket tournaments. Number 1 is ICC World Cup Cricket One Day International, ICC World Cup Cricket T20, ICC Champions Trophy. Basically, it was called ICC Knockout Trophy. After that, ICC Champions Trophy. One Day World Cup was started in 1975. T20 World Cup was started in 2007. ICC Champions Trophy was started in 1998. The famous tournament is One Day Tournament. It was started in 1975. Total 12 editions were completed. It means total 12 times this tournament was conducted so far. Latest 12th tournament was conducted in 2019 in England. Winner is also England. England won only once. Total 12 times conducted this tournament, but Australia won 5 times. All cricket playing continents, wherever cricket is played, all those continents, only one country won World Cup. That country is Australia. West Indies won 2 times. India won 2 times. Remaining 3, England, Sri Lanka and Pakistan. Sri Lanka won in 1996, Pakistan won in 1992 and England won 2019. Australia created hat-trick World Cups also in 1999, 2003 and 2007. These 3 times continuously hat-trick created by this Australia. Total Australia won 69 matches in World Cup tournament. Zimbabwe lost maximum number of times. Total 20 nations participated in this One Day World Cup so far, different situations. Generally 12 countries or 16 countries participated. 20 countries at a single time not participated so far, but overall 20 countries all over the worldwide participated. But Australia won 5 times. 4 countries could not win single match also in this One Day World Cup. They are Bermuda, East Africa, Namibia and Scotland. These 4 countries could not win single match. India won total 53 matches. After Australia, India and New Zealand won 53 matches. Second position, India and New Zealand are there. India won 53 matches. New Zealand also won 53 matches in One Day World Cup. Next, it will be conducted in 2023. India. Which country is hosting in 2023? That is India. 2019 it was conducted in England. It will be conducted in 2023 in India. India will be giving hosting in 2023. In One Day World Cup, basically started with 60 overs. After that, from 1987 onwards, it was reduced to 50 overs. Color uniform to players was started in 1992. Man of the tournament trophy was also started in 1992. You see Kapil Dev, whenever that person lifted the cup at the time, he was in white dress, but not in colored dress. Only one captain won these 3 cups. That person is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Any other captain could not win. Only one captain won these 3 cups. India got World Cup in 2011, One Day cricket. At the time, Dhoni was captain. 2007, first T20 cricket. At the time, also Dhoni was captain. 2013 ICC Champion Trophy, India won. At the time, also Dhoni captain. That's why only one captain in the world got 3 cups. That person is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Next, ICC World Cup 2020 was started in 2007. Actually, first 2020 was started in 2005. 2020 was started. One Day was started in 1971. First One Day was started in 1971 between Australia and England. 2020 was started in 2005 between Australia and New Zealand. This tournament was conducted in Auckland, but One Day tournament was first conducted in Australia between Australia and New Zealand. In 1971, Test match was not conducted due to rain. last day one day match was conducted, that is in 1971. Who is the father of one day cricket? That person is Kerry Packer, famous Australia media tycoon. That person initiated to conduct one day match. That's why who is father of one day cricket? The person name is Kerry Packer. But 2020 cricket was started 2005 between Australia and New Zealand. One thing you remember, women 2020 cricket was started in 2004, but men 2020 first international match was started in 2005 between Australia and New Zealand in Auckland. Who is this 2020 design? That person name is Stuart Robinson from England, famous cricket analyst. That person designed this 2020 cricket. This person is the father of 2020 cricket. Kerry Packer is the father of one day cricket, and William Gilbert Grace is the father of total cricket. ICC World Cup Cricket T20 was started in 2007. Total 6 editions were completed. Recently, 2020, it was not conducted in Australia due to COVID-19. But in 2021, India will be giving hosting in UAE and Oman. Not conducting in India, it will be conducted in the month of October 2021, UAE and Oman. ICC Champions Trophy, total 8 editions were completed. Next will be conducted in our country. 2021 will be conducted in our country, that is Champions Trophy. But this is that much of not crazy. It is only knockout countries are participated, but One Day World Cup and 2020 World Cup, these two are very crazy tournaments in the world. Some important records in World Cup cricket one day we have to remember. Maximum matches are played in this One Day World Cup. That person is Ricky Ponting. Ricky Ponting played total 46 matches, but Sachin played 45 matches. Second highest number of matches played person is Sachin Tendulkar. But maximum World Cup participated person is Sachin Tendulkar and Javed Miandad. Sachin Tendulkar participated 6 World Cups from 1992 to 2011. Total 6 World Cups participated. Javed Miandad from Pakistan also participated 6 World Cups from 1975 to 1996. These two persons participated 6 World Cups. Other than these two persons, anybody could not participated 6 World Cups. On the name of Sachin, so many records are there in World Cup. Maximum runs are done in World Cup all Sachin Tendulkar. Maximum centuries are done by Sachin Tendulkar, with Rohit Sharma also done 6 centuries, Sachin also done 6 centuries. But in single tournament, Rohit Sharma has done 5 centuries, that is record on the name of Rohit Sharma. But maximum centuries overall one day World Cup on 2 person names, those 2 persons are Sachin Tendulkar and Rohit Sharma. Maximum off centuries are done by Sachin Tendulkar. Maximum fours are hitted by Sachin Tendulkar. But individual score point of highest individual score in World Cup, that is Martin Guptill from New Zealand. He hit 237 runs against West Indies in 2015 World Cup. Fastest double century is done by Chris Gayle. The person has done double century with 138 balls only. Maximum sixes are also hit by Chris Gayle. Overall World Cup point of view, Chris Gayle 49 sixes he hit. But in a single tournament also record on Chris Gayle. He hit 26 sixes. He hit 26 sixes in 2015 World Cup. In a single match, maximum sixes are hit by Ian Morgan from England. He hit 17 sixes in a single match in 2019 against Afghanistan. Maximum fours are hit by Martin Guptill. In 2015, he hit 24 fours in 2015 match against West Indies. Martin Guptill. Highest partnership between Samuel and Chris Gayle in 2015, that is 372. Maximum centuries are done by in a single tournament, the person Rohit Sharma. Maximum wickets are taken by Glenn McGrath. He had taken 71 wickets, and also his best bowling performed also in this World Cup, 7 by 15. He has taken 7 wickets and had given 15 runs only. That record is also Glenn McGrath. Only one bowler had taken man of the tournament. That person is also Glenn McGrath. In 2007 man of the tournament, one Australian bowler has taken, that person name is Glenn McGrath. And another point, what remember, fastest century was done in World Cup by that person Kevin O'Brien from Ireland. He had done century with 50 balls. But overall one day cricket, fastest century is done by AB de Villiers with 31 balls only. But in World Cup point of view, fastest century done by Kevin O'Brien. Okay, that person belongs to Ireland. Highest average in one day World Cup, that person Lance Klusener in 1999 from South Africa he played. That person is the highest average batsman. But highest strike rate, Glenn Maxwell. This person's strike rate in World Cup is 169. Average bowler, best average bowler in World Cup, that person is Mitchell Stark, 14.81 this person average. Some other records in one day cricket and test cricket we have to know. First person hitted 6 in test cricket, that person name is Joe Darling, 1898, he belongs to Australia. 1877 first test match was started, but after 21 years, 1898, first 6 was hit by Joe Darling in 1898 from Australia. 6 sixes hit in a over in one day cricket, the person is Herschel Gibbs in 2007 World Cup. In 2020 cricket, 6 sixes hit person is Yuvraj Singh in 2007-2020 World Cup. In first class cricket, 2 persons hit 6 sixes. Those 2 persons are Gary Sobers and Ravi Shastri. But in test cricket, anybody is not hit 6 sixes in a over. First century was done in the world. Who is that person? Charles Bannerman, who he has done century. In one day cricket, first person hitted century is Dennis Amiss from England. Test cricket point of view, Australian person, that person Charles Bannerman, and one day point of view, remember Dennis Amiss from England, 1972. Maximum dismissals by wicketkeeper, which wicketkeeper? That person Sangakkara. Sangakkara in one day cricket, he has dismissed as a wicketkeeper, that person dismissed 500 and above, 501 dismissals done. Dhoni is third position. After Adam Gilchrist, Dhoni is third position. Dhoni dismissed players, total players are 444. Maximum sixes are hit by Shahid Afridi. Entire one day cricket, maximum sixes hit by Shahid Afridi, 351 sixes. After that, Chris Gayle is there, 331 sixes. Best all-rounder in the world is Jacques Kallis from South Africa, because he had done 10,000 runs in one day cricket, test cricket. He had taken 300 wickets in one day cricket and also test cricket. That's why the world's best all-rounder is Jacques Kallis from South Africa. Maximum wickets taker both one day cricket and test cricket, that person is Muttiah Muralidharan. Test cricket point of view, Muttiah Muralidharan has taken 800 wickets. After that, Shane Warne 708 wickets. Third position Anil Kumble 619. Then England player, fourth player, the person Anderson is 600 wickets. One day cricket point of view, maximum wicket takers are Muttiah Muralidharan 534, Wasim Akram 502. After that, Waqar Younis from Pakistan 416, Chaminda was 400, but Indian Anil Kumble is 10th position with 337 wickets. Jagwal Srinath 12th position. Total 13 players have completed 10,000 runs in test cricket, and total 14 players completed 10,000 above runs in one day cricket. Test cricket point of view, total 13 players have completed about 10,000 runs. First player completed 10,000 runs in test cricket is Sunil Gavaskar. One day cricket point of view, Sachin Tendulkar. Test cricket point of view, from India, 3 players completed 10,000 above runs. Those 3 players are Sunil Gavaskar, Sachin Tendulkar and Rahul Dravid. From Australia, 3 players completed about 10,000 runs. Alan Border, Steve Waugh and Ricky Ponting. From Sri Lanka, 2 players completed about 10,000 runs in test cricket, Mahela Jayawardene and Kumar Sangakkara. From West Indies, 2 persons completed about 10,000 runs. They are Brian Lara and Shivanarayan Chandrapal. From South Africa, only 1 person completed about 10,000 runs in test cricket, that person Jacques Kallis. From England, only 1 person completed about 10,000 runs, that person is Alistair Cook. From Pakistan, only 1 person recently completed, that person is Yunis Khan. These 13 players completed about 10,000 runs in test cricket, but very few matches completed person is Brian Lara. Which person played less matches but completed 10,000 runs? That person is Brian Lara. In one-day cricket point of view, 5 Indians completed about 10,000 runs. Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, Saurabh Ganguly, Mahendra Singh Dhoni and Virat Kohli. But very fast completed 10,000 runs person in the world is Virat. After that, Sri Lanka, 4 players. Kumar Sangakkara, Mahela Jayawardene, Tilakaratne Dilshan and Sanath Jayasuriya. These 4 persons completed about 10,000 runs in one-day cricket. From West Indies, 2 persons completed, Brian Lara and Chris Gayle from West Indies completed. Australia, only 1 person completed in one-day cricket, that person is Ricky Ponting. From South Africa, only 1 person completed, that person Jacques Kallis. From Pakistan, 1 person completed, Inzamam ul Haq. That is 7 players completed both and one-day and test cricket about 10,000 runs. From India, 2 persons completed about 10,000 runs both one-day and test cricket. Those 2 persons, Sachin Tendulkar and Rahul Dravid. From West Indies, 1 person completed both one-day and test cricket, the person Brian Lara. From South Africa, 1 person completed, that person is Jacques Kallis. From Sri Lanka, 2 persons completed, Mahela Jayawardene and also Kumar Sangakkara. And from Australia, 1 person completed, that person is Ricky Ponting. The first player had done double century in one-day cricket is Sachin Tendulkar. In 2010, he had done double century. Total 6 players have done double century in one-day cricket. From India, 3 players are there. Remaining 3 players all over the world, Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag and Rohit Sharma. Rohit Sharma is the highest individual score done person in one-day cricket. He had done 264 runs. After that, Martin Guptill, 237 runs. That person is there. Chris Gayle is also had done double century. From Pakistan, also 1 person had done double century. Total 6 players, but 2 times double century hitted person is Rohit Sharma. Only 1 player in test cricket 400 runs in a single inning, that person is Brian Lara. Quadruple century. It is called quadruple century. Only 1 person had done quadruple century in test cricket is, that person is Brian Lara. First player hitted century in T20 cricket is Chris Gayle. In 2007, West Indies player, he hitted century in 2020 cricket. Some famous players have done only 1 century in one-day cricket also. Sunil Gavaskar had done only 1 century in one-day cricket. Sachin had done total 100 centuries. Maximum centuries, both one-day and tests, are done by Sachin Tendulkar. 49 plus 51, total 100 centuries are done by Sachin Tendulkar. This person record is very near only 1 player, that person is Virat Kohli. Only Virat Kohli is possible to cross this person record in present days. Other player is not possible to reach. Kapil Dev is the first century done person in one-day cricket from India. In 1983 World Cup, he hit 175 runs against Zimbabwe. That is the first century from India in one-day cricket. But first century done in test cricket is Lala Amarnath in 1948. These points we remember. Thank you.